Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Apache NiFi for data flow automation, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Apache NiFi website. Locate the downloads section on the home page. Choose the latest stable release of Apache NiFi. Click on the link to access the download page. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. For Windows users, click the .zip file link. For macOS users, download the .tar.gz file. Linux users should also opt for the .tar.gz file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Extract the downloaded file using your preferred extraction tool. For Windows, right-click the .zip file and select Extract All. For macOS and Linux, open a terminal and use the command tarxzf filename .tar.gz. Once extracted, open the folder containing the files. Locate the bin directory within the Apache NiFi folder. To start NiFi, run the appropriate command for your operating system. For Windows, double-click on nifi.bat. For macOS and Linux, execute /nifi.sh in the terminal. Wait a few moments for Apache NiFi to initialize. Once it's running, open a web browser. Type http://localhost 8080/NiFi into the address bar. Press Enter to access the Apache NiFi user interface. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and launched Apache NiFi for data flow automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.